Yes, good guys, it's your boy Horror. Welcome back to the Horror Squad and welcome to another reaction video. Now today I'm going to react to The Chickening. Now The Chickening is a parody of The Shining, and if you don't know what The Shining is, it's a movie starring Jack Nicholson, and it's about a family that go to a hotel, and the dad is writing a book, and the dad goes mad and tries to kill his family with an axe. So let's do this. So if you don't like The Shining or don't like horror movies, then probably won't like this video. But anyways, let's get into this. Let's watch The Chickening. So basically this is a parody of The Shining, and it's so funny. So let's get into it. Wow, that's loud. Symbols, what? Remember, this is just a parody, it's not real. Wait, why is Danny got a beard and a mustache? It's weird. It's creepy. A Stanley Kubrick film. So it's made by Stanley Kubrick, and Stephen King made one, and the miniseries by Stephen King is trash. Like, I hate the Danny in the miniseries. Like, it's just stupid. The only shining thing I like from The Shining thing I like from Stephen King is Dr. Sleep. So basically, the Overlook Hotel has turned into this like chicken restaurant called Charbay's Chicken World. Charbay's Chicken World. And Charbay's Chicken World is so funny. Charbay's Chicken World, more like Cluck and Bell.
Charbay's Chicken World and Restaurant Resort. This is the largest fast food entertainment complex in North America, with a subterranean farm, a power plant, and the world's only magnificent chicken blast fry. Now you be the new senior chief night manager.
Wait. Oh, they got the bear there.
Now does that sound like...
Why is there a microwave there? Also, what I love about this is that they're taking a piece of the carpet and they like made it into a C shape.
Well, that sounds fine.
Why is there a gun there? That is creepy. That's not funny, that's creepy.
This is a sandwich? Yeah, I know. Tastes like...
Wait, Wendy, why are your eyes so creepy? Like, that didn't happen in the movie. Like, why is Wendy's eyes so, like, messed up?
Tony. What about me? Get back in the kitchen and make me a real sandwich before I give you a crack in the mouth. Maybe straighten out your eyes.
What? Please don't feed the chickens. What? Why are the twins dancing in the hallway? I love that they got chains on. Yeah. What the heck is that? That's weird. Also, basically, if you know who that is, that's supposed to be Dick Halloran, and Dick Halloran was a this man who talked to Danny about The Shining. Oh, I love how they put the Here's Johnny in. Jack, why are you wearing a chicken suit? He's like a Cluck and Bell worker.
Johnny! Charbay's Chicken World and Restaurant Resort is going completely insane!
Charbay's Chicken World, more like Cluck and Bell or Cluck and the Chicken.
Never tried Charbay's?
Wait, what did I say?
Insane! Never tried
The Real Tough Fairy. What?
Charbay's? You got a big surprise.
Yeah!
Introducing our new and amazingly tasty volcanically activated extreme
Clown.
dipping sauce, The Shining.
Oh, I get why it's called that. Because, like, the movie title is called The Shining, and they just, like, took out the ing in The Shining and replaced it with a Y.
They'll love it.
That's funny.
Chinese Chicken World and Restaurant Resort.
Charlie Chicken World.
With over 237 attractions.
Lily,
Lily,
Lily, we'll blindfold the chicken. Why is there a microwave there? Random
Brown
microwave.
them in a spicy barbecue sauce and pluck all the tail feathers with a shop vac and a pair of surgical clamps.
Do you mind if I ask why you do that?
Why is everyone's eyes in these videos so like messed up?
Alfonso, do you mind just keeping it down a bit? The big people are talking here. Other than that,
What the heck?
problems. Oh, except the toilets sometimes receive
Oh,
volcanic
God.
pressure blasts that explode feces all over the walls of the bathroom I'm free.
Okay, I'm not gonna show the part where he the man in the room because it's weird. So I'm just gonna show this part.
Hello.
So when I first watched this, I thought Jack farted, but he didn't. The chicken pooed on his head.
Volcano sauce pressure tank is located
I
in
can't get over that. Why has he got green skin? He looks like the Hulk mixed with an Avatar character.
room 237. So we gotta go
Why has he got a beard? That's creepy. Ugh! Why has he got a dead chicken in his ice cream?
into room 237 and take out the volcano sauce pressure
Volcano sauce. What's volcano sauce? Also, why has he got an eye patch?
Room 237?
Yeah, room 237.
Room 237. Also, a fact about The Shining. In the book and miniseries, it was actually changed to room 217. And Stephen King stayed in that room at the hotel.
237. Am I not speaking clearly? You just gotta go in there and distract that big crazy chicken. So
Also,
me and Tony can plant the explosives.
Who's Tony? Who the fuck?
so basically, if you don't know who Tony is, he's basically, Danny's imaginary friend who lives inside his mouth. Whenever Tony talks to Danny, he always just this like, I don't know, Danny, like that. And Danny has this creepy raspy voice every time Tony talks to him. Also, I don't, why is Tony wearing a hat and got a face in this video? It's like he's real. It's like his imaginary friend came to life.
Who the f you green ass piece of...
Oh, I love that. They changed the bar to the chicken store.
Hello! How are you?
That's better.
Okay, would you like to try the new experimental sauce, the shiny volcano sauce?
I'm awfully glad you asked me that, Lloyd.
Well then, okay, listen up. We have a spicy, a super spicy, tasty spicy.
I love that
We have
Lloyd's
a
of
super
work
shiny spicy, and
at the chicken store.
we have a super duper
Cluck me. Saved again.
shiny spicy suicide sauce. Hey! It has the essence of a real natural volcano
Wait.
right into the inside of
Is that a chicken potion? Is that like supposed to turn him into a chicken?
Rage run,
Why is he got a beard?
rage run,
I think he's supposed to say rag rub, rag rub, rag rub, or rag rub, rag rub, rag rub.
Oh, sorry, I meant burger.
Oh, sorry, I meant burger. Oh, sorry, I meant burger.
I'm dyslexic, didn't I tell you?
What?
Okay!
Yeah, that's definitely. Oh, it's a fire breathing potion.
Ever since we've moved here, you've been acting more and more like a chicken.
No, 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 no. What was that? I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. So, it says that you've been acting more like a chicken. So does that mean that Jack transformed into a chicken when he got mad? And he tried to kill his family when he was a chicken? So, he was wearing a chicken suit, pretending to be a chicken, and now he's actually a chicken.
The volcano sauce bites is gonna
What is
kill.
volcano sauce? Strawberries. Oh my god, it's a chicken. Yes. Oh. Oh. They recreate the Here's Johnny scene, but instead of Jack with the axe, it's a chicken doing that.
From master director Stanley Kubrick comes a new twist on a classic tale of horror.
That's chickening. That's chickening.
Rated R.
Wait, what'd that say?
On a classic tale of horror. The chickening. Rated R.
Radar, roosters and heads for foul language and exposed. Oh, what a video. So it looks like that was a trailer, not an actual movie. Wait, what's this?
Chip, chip.
Wait, what's that?
You know you're growing a beak, right? Chip, 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 chip.
That was hilarious. Wait, what's this? That was so funny. Like, wait, they have an extended scene. Okay, I'm not gonna watch the extended scene because I actually want to watch this. That was very funny. That was like if they made like a sequel to The Shining, like the Stanley Kubrick one, I would love it to be like this. Like Jack turned into a chicken, Major and his whole family is a chicken, and the Overlook Hotel turned into a chicken shop. Like, if that's what The Shining 2 is gonna look like, if there is Shining 2, then that'd be funny. They probably won't, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. This was really funny. The original video will be linked in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and bye.